Hi, Unity. My name's Inri, and I'd like to share today's daily word with you. Today's word is guidance. Our affirmation is, I am divinely guided and directed through spirit within. In the quiet of the silence, I relax and listen for my still, small voice. This voice is my intuition, my nudge from the mind of God, pointing me in the direction of my highest good. I may receive information and advice from my friends or family, or I may do some research on my own. But I place the most value and trust in the insight I receive when I listen to my intuition the most. More than that, relying upon my guidance heightens my awareness of God's presence and deepens my trust in God's goodness. I listen to my still, small voice and feel confident following its guidance. The more I follow it, the more I feel I am co-creating with the divine to live my fullest, richest life. And today's scripture comes from Romans 12:2. Do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your minds, so that you may discern what is the will of God. Thank you.